So the Sinulog reached here inside the mall. So they have local here, local caravan. See, which they sell guitars and some key holders, of course. Wow, parehas ako. Just like mine. And my favorite was coffee shop. So they just take a turn. Look at the lead dancer. She's carrying the baby Santo Niño, which Ferdinand Magellan bring here in the Philippines, specifically here in Cebu. Usually guys, the lead dancers, they're very pretty. Yeah, very pretty. Well, during my younger days, I've tried that also.